Are you looking for the best electric toy car in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best electric toy car that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To see the more information about these products, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe for more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Best Choice Products 12 volts Kids Battery-Powered Remote Control Electric RC Ride-On Car. The third electric toy car and the best value on our list is the 12-volt Kids Battery-Powered Remote Control Electric RC Ride-On Car by Best Choice Products. This ride-on toy car has a very sleek, sporty design which immediately makes you want one for your kid. It won't monetarily sting you much either, for it is priced way lower than many other power wheels in the market and has all the functional features. It comes with an integrated gear switch and LED lights, a horn, and has engine sounds. To ensure your child's safety, there are 2 varying speeds which you can set, high and low. A parental remote control is provided so you can keep a tab on the car, and a seat belt is provided to keep the tiny driver firmly in his place. To ensure you little one never gets bored while in the driver's seat, there are a variety of preset songs he could listen to or play his favorite songs through the aux cord which is provided. The electric toy car has weight carrying capacity of 66 pounds and is suitable for children aged 3 to 7 years. Overall, the 12 volts battery-powered remote control electric RC ride-on car is a good product that delivers on all functional counts and won't be a burden on your purse as well. With this kid's electric car, your kid would certainly be in for a safe and fun ride, and you can enjoy too watching him whirl around on his own sporty four-wheeler. Other products such as the Best Splash Play mats are a great addition as well. Moving on at number 4. We have the Uenjoy Electric Kids Ride-On Cars 12 volts battery power vehicles. With the Uenjoy electric car for kids, your little one would be ready for any adventurous expedition. Boasting a stylish design, the car has large spring suspension wheels and comes fitted with LED headlights, colorful top lights, and blue intake grille lights, which make the ride all the more joyful. The car features an adjustable seat belt, gear shift lever, and a horn. You can also connect any external device to play the songs of your choice along with some good built-in stories and music. Fitted with a 12-volt battery, the car can run continuously up to 1 hour and reach maximum speed of up to 2.5 miles per hour. A parental remote control feature is also available for your child's safety. It has a maximum load capacity of 66 pounds, suited for kids aged between 3 to 6 years, and the seat is spacious enough for a comfortable ride. Other vehicles like the electric-powered ride-on trucks are great for children to have fun as well. The car has some real good features and the price isn't too high either. The rugged design together with the lighting make this car a delightful visual sight which will surely bring smiles on your kid's face. If you are on a smaller budget but still want to have powered wheels that boast some high-end features, you can go for this one. At number 3, we have the Porsche Boxster Style 12 volts electric kids ride-on car. Another offering from Moderno Kids, the Porsche Boxster styled 12 volts electric kids ride-on. Although not officially licensed, this electric car for kids is modeled on the original Porsche Boxster Kids and looks really cool. It has some amazing features to boast and packs in a heavy punch. This electric vehicle comes with soft start and electric brake system for gradual acceleration and reliable braking. The seats are made of PU leather and fitted with a 5-point seat belt for a comfortable ride. The car has openable doors and a trunk, and to add to the cool design, it has LED wheels with rubber traction bands. The car is designed for riding on paved flat surfaces and has a speed range between 2 to 4 miles per hour with 2 speeds, and comes with 3-speed parental remote control. An integrated MP3 player which can play files from external devices takes care of your kids' entertainment needs. This car is suitable for kids aged between 1 to 4 years. With some good safety features like gradual acceleration and reliable braking and seat belts and leather seat, this electrical car tries to be a notch above the rest, and it certainly is on many counts. The car looks awesome, and with a trunk and openable door, your kid would definitely get the feel of riding a real car. This is definitely worth going for. At number 2, we have the Moderno Kids Explorer. The Moderno Kids Explorer is the second and the best premium electric toy car on our list. Justifying its premium tag, this car comes loaded with some over-the-top features like soft start and gradual acceleration for greater safety. Two-way adjustable soft PU leather seat, two-way convertible safety seat belt, rear spring shock absorbers, underbody soft glow blue LED light kit, and a long-range parental remote control. If you thought that it was quite a long list, then just hang on. This four-wheel tiny monster is also equipped with an integrated MP3 player, Bluetooth FM radio, and can play files from an external device like iPod and iPhone, so your kid never runs out of entertainment options while he is steering away happily in the driver's seat. This battery-powered toy car can carry weight up to 100 pounds and is suitable for children aged 2 to 6 years. The battery comes with a protective feature that prevents it from overcharging and overloading. With a minimum speed of 2 miles per hour, the speed tops out at 5 miles per hour with 3 speeds on parental control remote, 2 forward speeds and 1 reverse speed to ensure your child's safety. The tires are big, which ensures stability, and are made of zero-maintenance soft EVA foam rubber. This makes for a very comfortable ride no matter whether the terrain is flat or rugged or is a wet surface. And finally, at number 1, we have the Power Wheels Jeep Wrangler. This electrical car offering from Power Wheels is modeled on the real Jeep Wrangler and comes fitted with 4 huge tires that provide stability to ride on a variety of terrains like grass, wet surfaces, or rocky ground. The speed max outs at 5 miles per hour forward and 2.5 miles per hour reverse. The cockpit area is large enough to accommodate 2 little drivers, and there is enough legroom for a comfortable stay behind the wheels. The vehicle can carry weight up to 130 pounds. The Power Wheels Jeep Wrangler retains some original Jeep features like Jeep grills, roll bars, and front and back fenders, so the kids get a real feel when in the car and can role play with the vehicle. With a lockout feature at 2.5 miles per hour, it can be later increased to 5 miles per hour when your child has learnt the ropes of driving and can comfortably steer, accelerate, and reverse without any fear. This vehicle is suitable for kids aged between 3 to 7 years. You will also get a 12-volt battery, 12-volt battery charger, and a owner's manual along with the electric car. The Power Wheels Jeep Wrangler is the top on our list and the best overall. It has a rugged design, giving it a cool look, modeled as it is on the latest Jeep Wrangler. With its standout big wheels and big cockpit area, it certainly promises big and will take your child on a fun ride as he explores his surroundings by himself. Suited for any terrain, your kid's joy will have no bounds. And with the speed lockout system at 2.5 miles per hour, you can be sure the kid will stay away from any harm. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe my channel to see more videos like this. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.